on section 4.3, let's take a look at a few problems. Number 1. We'll start there. That's loud. One number is 2 more than a second number. Twice the first is 4 less than 3 times the second. Well, let's look at the first sentence and see if we can come up with an equation. If one number is 2 more than a second number, well, if we have x, that's our larger one that we've said in the past would be the larger of the two, is 2 more than the other one. If I add 2 to the smaller one, then they're equal. Twice the first number is 4 less than 3 times the second. Well, here's 3 times the second. 4 less than that would be a minus 4. Since we have this solved for x, we can use substitution. And I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides and add 4 to both sides. I get 8 equals y. If 8 is equal to y, then x has to be 10. Number 2. Says 3 times one number minus a second is 8. So 3 times a number minus a second number is equal to 8. And the sum of the numbers, x plus y, equals 12. If I add them together, I get 4x equals 20. X must be 5. If x is 5, y has to be 7, because 5 plus 7 equals 12. Number 3. Different number 3. Number 3 says the United States has the world's only large deck aircraft carriers, which can hold up to 72 aircraft. The Enterprise class carrier is the longest in length. So we have the Enterprise type, and we have the Nimitz class is the second longest. And the Nimitz class air carrier is the second longest. The total length of the two carriers, the Enterprise plus the Nimitz, equals 2193, while the difference of the two aircraft carrier lengths is only 9 feet. If I add them together, I get 2e equals 2212. 02. And so the Enterprise has to be 1101, which would make, if that one's 1101, this one would have to be 1092. And number 9, let's do number 9. The United Kingdom is the most popular host country for students abroad. So I'm going to say UK is the number of students from the UK. And the second most popular is Italy. And I'll use I for the number of students from Italy. And it says a total of the number of students from the UK plus Italy totals 56,929. If 7,213 more students studied in UK than Italy, well, then I would know that UK is equal to Italy plus 7,213. And you would be able to use substitution, and I would get I plus 7213 plus I equals 76929. 2I plus 7213 equals 56,929. And if I subtract 7213, I get 2I equals 49,716. Divide by 2 gives me Italy's population of students at 24,858. And if we know the total is I plus that would give me UK, I'm going to say my UK students are going to be 32,071.